na wo Angela wo ka kire me say Joyce ye be ma 800 cedis that is connected 8 million asama make if there's any journalist watching me today I beg of you. I know some journalists are hardworking. I have seen a lot of journalists in Ghana who are really hardworking. Good. But there are most of the journalists are just lazy. They are lazy. They don't hold our leaders accountable. We don't hold our leaders accountable for anything. HRD asemi baye obia fa pen ni paper no ma tro de ope no there to internet so yeah ugwagu Joyce obenye bibia kan obenye sika to ni bottom now so you are destroying me, you have destroyed me. Why mu ye ya ma me nya depression ekoda hospital me nya depression we e mu na musambe kan asemi ye bodeni enya hwe me nim doctor kra wo biase a or declare say obenya asem na say oye depressed na che say nipa ne body ni na so Ghana for mo de dam no mo de ato me so me say no problem still I'm living my life. I do whatever I want to do to make my life better and I try as much as possible to make myself happy. Until the somebody in some ebe to me so am obi e bear me cry and say no so obi e bear me a nipa ne de oba with a clear mind na de nkrofo be ka che nipa no ebe ma nipa ne cry sign echi. And you know, I live my life like that. Meaning, say, me as mommy, me no bia. Me no bia, me ni obia. Because if it's a me band papa crano, me ni ne wo ye no. So when who me say me ani pa boni ni akakora no on pono. Yeah, I am evil. Evil Joyce. All because of what? One HIV program I did. Let me come to the contract. This is what the contract said. Contract in it say. Me sign a contract 5 years with the Ghana AIDS Commission. Every month, me 800 cedis. That is 8 million. The contract said I will get 3-bedroom apartment. And yet for free. Is she crying? Not for free. And I said, and yes, they check me, but rented place for 2 years. After 2 years, they will renew it. Good. 800 cedis. 3-bedroom apartments rented. And what else? They said they cannot give me a car. I want to be mommy car. And you know, say me ko program bia. Me bra Ghana AIDS Commission office. Na me can chom say me ko ye program. Ghana AIDS Commission for the car baby family ako. That is what the contract said. And I me sign a contract. And I me sure say me ye programs. And see programs, you know, me call kind of say me call workshop. Workshop, you go for training to learn more about HIV and do so many things. Ghana for motion in there. See, come in Ghana AIDS Commission, Fidelity Bank. That is where I save. Yan from in Fasikani is shaming same said Joyce. Busumi asumbeju 8 million. That is coming to my account more of Fidelity Bank. So if there is any journalist watching me, if Abronya DC, wherever you are, I am telling you, watch me. And it's not funny pa, and sumanipa. No one monko Ghana AIDS Commission ho. Na account to cry Ghana AIDS Commission for this $3 million in 2 months. Papa che Ghana for. Still, I don't doubt you. And yet possible, Mrs. Subiom, it is possible, say, Ghana AIDS Commission for any parliament, I could sign it, say, yeah, they say, Bema Joyce. Possible pa. Because, as some see no. Some people working at the AIDS Commission now they can't try me. So before I'm family as AIDS ambassador no. I'm called parliament. They debated on my program. And there are other 3 people. They debated. Say me dine near rented house where me dine and some amount of money be and near 8 million kind of was here the mommy. It may be. Don't misquote me. I said, maybe it is possible, sir. Parliament with Ghana AIDS Commission, or my signing say, you better fear my Joyce. You better my Joyce car. And I say, Bema Joyce $1 million. And I say, Bema Joyce $3 million. Sacrifice your life for the country. People are dying of AIDS. Now, I'm going to sign a contract in the year. Not Joyce Jimmy. Joyce with a good heart. Joyce, who always want to save people, came to sign 800 cedis contract. Only 1 year. Within 1 year, no. Now me just say, ya hear me who posters, me billboard, unam kroma me dasu, akra. Ami kita kola awo mi nsim. Samoti mase. Ami kita kola awo mi nsim. Na moya me books, moya me hu books. Na moya me hu advert. I remember the advert. In the advert I said, I'm a mother of 2. My name is Joyce and I'm HIV positive. That was the advert. And the advert was everywhere. Na advert in the oh baby. It's me nam chroma. Obianim said, that is it. For how much? 8 million. Now contract na me sign na musi 5 years so. Me be cheche mu de course. Ghana for mu bia mani sa Ghana AIDS Commission. Nyese me ni omu asemuti me be ka asemato omu so. Se me asema me ba be ken if it's a liar. Me angasa me krom bosom na me gini di no. It should kill me. Now who Dr. Angela L. Adas under the NDC administration. Dr. Angela L. Adas under NDC administration signed contract with me that I should be responsible for educating the youth in the schools. 2, to educate mothers living with HIV. You understand? Now, sir, Nkrofo the letter about Ghana AIDS Commission. Sir, we are so and so school or church, and we are requesting that Joyce Mensah come to our school, our church, blah blah blah, to educate us. In Crawford letter by 100, Ghana AIDS Commission will not mind them. Unfortunately for me, no ambassadors in year 4. Now so they be a letter bar. Joyce didn't want that because of how I present myself. Mystery, minimuti. I have a story. You understand? It's a share story now. It encourages people to listen. I talk about sex. I talk about unprotected sex. So most of the school share Uko Cape Coast. Uko Cape Coast. If I'm not lying, school be any Cape Coast and me nice here. There is no secondary school or Cape Coast main core. Infancy man, infancy pim, a disco. Just some of the schools now I have gone to over 600 schools in Ghana. All the traveling I was doing, no, majority was around Ghana, not even outside Ghana. Now me sacrificing me to me go programs me be fia na ma bre ya mama to me ba na be aduane ama me. Me say ma I'm too tired I can't obviously oh yeah lady kakra. Enti me ambassador me very slim pa because me didi. I didn't have time for my own body. Because me started program now HIV cases were reducing. And one thing that was giving me happiness was that now me the wawa me ho only me the wawa me ho say like me to me aye bibiama it has been able to save people. So I was proud. Let me tell you why they terminated my contract. Contract in say so be the letter Basa Mimbe programmer. AIDS Commission for the Mibeko. They have drivers, they have cars. Now so seminar program na mi free AIDS Commissioner. Omeka chem se car ni ho. Da me ni obi be kasa no a car ho no. Omeka chem se driver ni ho ade Mibeko program na se. Da driver ho no omeka chem se fuel any car ni mo. Now smart kwaji millions of dollars from the Global Fund. Ghana AIDS Commission, you got millions of dollars from Global Fund, all because of the story I was sharing. A little girl as I was, 23 years, I didn't know much about anything. Now I was so naive. And then you exploited me, did videos about me, got all the millions you wanted to get, and then we are terminating my contract. Every person in Ghana knows that I was a hardworking lady. Everybody in Ghana knew that I was a hardworking lady. And I'm still throwing this challenge to you once again. The Ghanaian journalists, the program we did from 2011, Sa Heart to Heart, that was the title of the program. Heart to Heart program now, you know. Ghanaian journalists, made Pamuchao, Can you go back to the AIDS Commission? Let them account for all the money they spent. Request. Mumbisa say, Ghana AIDS Commission, yaba. Money joins program na muye no. I sika do send na mo spend here. And then you will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. You will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. Now Africa, you see Africa is poor country. There is so much disease in Africa. Malaria, tuberculosis, HIV. Then we gather some people, do some documentaries. Near the kwa brofuno ho, near musika millions. Now penifono, no much check. Ni go mboto. Ghana AIDS Commission. They have pocketed money into their pocket. Into money me ye be no. 1 year pepe. Now your program be. And I meant to me uncle. Upon all the number of schools I'm making in just this program I meant to me uncle. If you need termination letter. Me. Sir Joyce, we are sorry. We can't work with you again. No, I'm terminating my contract. A young girl, 23 years old. You've exposed me to the whole world. You've told everybody she has HIV. She's been everywhere. You've done movies about her. You've done documentaries about her. And I'm movie no. And I'm soon because I initiate the mom. Dr. Angela, you are a woman. And to this idea where a year will be banned, Sanka Meya will bar and Kaubaya Missa. Nobody was ready to work with me because I have said something abominable. HIV nya ade adidi agro. Me wie ya. Masum metiko se menko. Esan se mini kamafo. Mini obi obeka masema mama. I became so depressed. When I got that letter that day, I cried. I cried. It got to a point I couldn't do anything. I couldn't work anywhere because nobody was ready to have anything to do with me. I suffered depression for so many years in Ghana. Because they terminated my contract, no money, nothing, no house. And with that 800 cedis that I was receiving for only 1 year, no, is that what made me a millionaire? Ghanaians, are you telling me it's 800 cedis now? And this is for the mama, no? And not me, mama, yes, you can hear now. Now, uko internet is now typing me dear. Fraudulent AIDS ambassador. Thief. Liar. Who wants to work with a liar? Who wants to work with a fraudulent ambassador? I still decided to move on. And I'm still moving. I am still moving. I am still moving. 1 year later, I'm also metikose menko omuni menye adwuma bio. And I'm former First Lady Lordina Mahama. And I'm within a year AIDS ambassador. Asema Mike. Meaning said they will come back to come and lie. Now baby biara obesama be try to me su biara. I don't want to curse. Mejai. May Kama deal with the I wanted to curse, but I don't want to do it again. Kama will deal with everybody. Ena, I'm going to follow Lordina Mahama. And I'm going to hear AIDS ambassador. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. Uya me mamia akamedibe kwa me ho. Uya me busuenia akamedibe kwa me ho. I can never disrespect you because you have served Ghana before. Your husband, former President John Mahama. I can never disrespect you because you have been a president. Even when people were saying, accusing you, saying only me had only me akoda hotel or Dubai inano. I know so only me ye bibiada. But me ka say only me endi me ni yenti no. Uncle for come me beke bia so. I still came to defend you. I am not a bad person. And I'm a bad and defending former President Mahama. But me issue ni by and what did they do for me? Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. Ya do be your AIDS ambassador to come and do what? schools did you go, madam? Madam Lodina, school do what say now call it. This is na de bia michi. E dey between me got 3 schools. Me jina me nan so. E kasa 2 hours. Me we am call a different school. Me we am call another school. I go to different churches in a day. Sometimes I do about 4 or 5 programs. Former President John Mahama's First Lady, Lodina Mahama. When you became the AIDS ambassador, how many schools did you go? Did they also do a story about you? Did they say you should come and say you had HIV? Please, I want to know. I knew that I was cheated. So I decided to go to former First Lady. The office was a cantonment. I drove to her office. I wanted to explain to her, say, "Ex commission for me and dini ye. Me position no ya jiama no. Inti me kwa kobisa and say, madam, wait me aboa me ana because e dan na rent maame no. Esu a me ni adwuma bia ye. E na makwaje nkwase a contract. Sebi ye nkwase adwuma na mbeye ye no. Me beye nkwase adwuma insi na obi ehu me se me yarefo. Obi person me be bibi. Inti madam, can you help me please? Me call ye no. Former First Lady Mahama. Ni secretary na me ko to in the office na e cantonment no. Inti me ko share ni secretary na me sim person me hu madam. I say, oh Joyce, what is the problem? Let me see. No, it's personal. I want to see her. I say, Joyce, anything you tell me, you have indirectly told her. Just let me know. And I come ask them no. And I say, Joyce, can you bring me a letter about what you just told me? And I'm got you a letter and the brain. Former First Lady Mahama, Lodina, I gave you a letter for 1 year. You did not reply me. 2 years, 3 years, you didn't reply me. Midnight office, 190, you tell me, come. Woman waiting for me. And I'm seeing you and she. Me kwa Mahama nankasa. Me throw a letter, Flagstaff House, they bia, me nam Flagstaff House, they bia. Mahama never replied even 1 letter. So I decided to call him personally. I started calling former President Mahama. With all due respect, I can never insult you. Former President John Mahama, unu wife. President, me friend Mahama phone, so friend Mahama. Last minute, in the bodyguard, or my bodyguard be share me. And I said, the ambassador me catch any biano. The bodyguard me say me can't train. Now he will know. And I'm say, thank God. At least, even if Mahama cannot meet me, his bodyguard is coming to meet me. So the bodyguard no buy. E be share me. You know, be some di asem. And I me come me asem say me nyina ni the Ghana Aid Commission for omu use me ya me videos di come abrofo ejeje hu millions. E di e asum meti kwasa me nko na me nko. And I me come me say me nyina akere. Say me pa omu che omu mboa me. Me papa page say mo mboa me. And I see you. All the information come on Mahama. But ene me ne am diti how many years now? Ene me ne am diti way. Nobody wanted to do anything with me. It got to a point. Me ko pay sika. E ko pay dan bi work bawe. Na me see me ko rent dan work bawe. Good. You go do see on the fear ran no hu many more. I say, hey, you look familiar. And I say, Drew. And I'm here down 2 years. I come 2 days and me kwakwa examine yama akwakwa tene fi ho. E hwa na efi ran san friend me say, madam, we cannot have you in this house. Can you come back for your money? And omusan e dey me sika ma me. Do you know why? Who want to live with an AIDS patient in quotes? In quote, who want to live with me? Nobody. Who want to live with a scammer? Nobody. Who want to live with a liar? Nobody. I became so lonely in this world that and I'm because me mama kai. Me mama can say program me mama nkoye. And I say me person me ye na me di savior man for. And me na me di ti approach here me nam hamok promo kra na nkofo kika me hunsem. Obi person obey me kra na ya say nipa na adwen embe sa nipa I am evil. And NDC for more some more opposition. NDC for me so friend I could pop Bompire to NDC. NDC should never come to power again. Me Bompire suya and untino 2016 me boost any be who are vote here. Me boost any be who are vote my NDC. Because they are wicked. Because you know the people you will sleep with and buy houses and buy cars for the girls. But you sacrifice your life in India. Baby, you don't know me. And then Muko opposition, you want to come back. And you think that God is a fool. God is not a fool. No way. God is not a fool. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. The only who could Mahama de year me no. More say ne you see na you will not come back. I respect you. I can never insult you. But the other year be bano. Me na microphone say bia. Me dia yan wumi o. No, people think me yan wumi o. Me free sra na be hwi asase so bang. Me ni feelings. Me ni akuma. Me ni dofu bia. Me ti me na ho a sa girl na embe no. Sa girl na embe no. No problem. Ghana for no problem. Say dem ye nyina wan kai ba ko krampo no problem. Say 800 citizens and na major of me as scammer who call internet is so I became depressed. More especially last year abronya this Becca me give $3 million you know. Me nya depression koda hospital Eppendorf. Me suye. And I me catch a doctor for and say I don't want to go back to Ghana. They want me to be deported. Now, I catch a doctor for and say, I know that I'm clean. I don't have $3 million. But if they still want to put me in jail, doctor, I want to kill my life. I want to kill myself. Me person me contact all the ones in a car for me tsunami. It is better for me to die in Hamburg than to be in jail. In Zabronia DC. So what confusion documents be? No one who say, yeah, transfer can be with my name. Ya mai ye nya me bia kika nya me bia bobomu aseni sike bia ko shisha account bu na akosi $3 million sa me ka me papa we wu a me hu ni da me ka me fie busum go and look for the documents very well and go back to that Angela Eladas and go back to former Lord Namahama who became the ace ambassador. And let them give you that money because Sasi can enemy her. Yes, she's sleeping. Okay, you just hold her. You can put her down. You know. Wait. You can hold her. You don't put her down. She may wake up. Yeah, just hold her. Sabronia this what confusion who say me did $3 million sir. I bet me and the crest on the meeting it's possible because program na me you know not global fund for more I'm sure my money global fund you know because I cried. I think I have some running nose. Mama made him kakrambra. I think you can put her down. Me assure say they have done their own investigation. And people file my investigation. And who say they have given me they have spent $3 million using my name. But at the end, you know, it was 800 cedis. Just 800 cedis so. Omutia only for 1 year. And I say no. I cannot live in Ghana. Na me child there. Me weni monyam. Sa me call embassy kra na minisi kadodro a. Me nim kwa me fa so me denya visa. Eni dem ntumi me kan kire mo. Ma ko pe visa ne metu kwan. Me kwa bro chire me ko try na anye ye na me sanko Ghana. Me kwa America me ko try so ma ko to America. Me ye ya anye ye na me sanko back to Ghana. And na me ba Germany me try for 2 times anye ye na me sanko back. Na me dia ko ni abasa. Me dia ko ni abasa. And people for say omo hu say me medicine upon the year me nyina ni su am su ye koda hospital nyina no 800 cedis for 1 year no ye see ye pe match me atum abronya DC This video no me yeah indirectly for you to get. Go and do your research very well. Go and do your research. Check. Ghana AIDS Commission, they have failed Ghanaians big time. Ghana AIDS Commission, that institution called Ghana AIDS Commission. Sikedia Ekosuwohono. And then Mr. Treme, you are now the boss. Angela, yeah, NDC call opposition. Angela, Ekoyeno. Whoa, Mr. Treme, you know me very well. I hear you matche. And now by na se me san ebe pa mu cho. Se mini baby da into mumbuamia. Now my son me catch again and said they should pray for me now. I have mental problem. No problem. Angela Ella does. I know when you Google my name on the internet, you go YouTube now because I put me there. And then you see me what AIDS. Sorry, HIV. I did cheer me see me need HIV. And then you see me what I did cheer me see me ni. And go for says I get away cry anything. And then me what a china me ni be. And then me what and I saw unim. Angela was the one confusing me. Me pia bonti make I say me ni be and Ghana for say yen tia see da so better da yanji esikedi. Sikabe na mbejidi mon kantre me. So many years now, almost 10 years now. Yes, Joyce here kron for. Na so ni papa ku pekure ni asasi so to me be kan say me ni Joyce e deali ama ne di misikada. And I said that Joyce are promising me visa. And I said, yeah, Joyce are be the music. And I said, say, it's yenching into who? What do you want to do? Your phone? Nobody. Who can come and tell me, say, only me be into the Medina Sika? I want somebody me penny papa coupe. I want Sasisu. Say the most say me de kono. Most say me din zananya couple hata sro. Say the American Yankupa Kumu no. Yankupa hata sro a oni makumu a oni me nipa bai no. Will never let me down. God will never let me down. Na ka musu to say akameti na Ghana. Akosire sika o street so. But Yankupa manamba ne sada. Because you know what? So we nipa papa na una masasi so a. Me ma me no wonum bia woto. When you meet to a month, yes, ye. Nenye, nunye walala. No, ejiko. I say, uye ni papa, na se uye papa, koswaye papa. Se ni pa boni ni so no be di boni an koswe ni boni. Ewie ye ni asem no. At the end, we will see who is good and who is bad. I am looking for only one person to come out and say Joyce, any me deal edimisika. We boom edimisika. I want only one person in the whole world. And in yama Google internet is not fraud no. Me po ni pa ba ko po baba kasa me defraud no. And you know mo hwe me. You've heard my story. If you were in my shoes, I'm asking you this genuine question. Yemfa me say fine, truly I was having a virus. Yemfa me sir, say na me wa. The omude yem eye wa anka obeye den anka obe koso aka se uwo na obi physical chain botum na wo de koye adwuma obi ameso be hwe nim na nka kona koda baby na esu sa ekom enku. Will you do it? I am not a fool. No, I can't do that. But one thing I say, you never understood me. So this is what happened. Yon, I want to, why? No. I want to play something. Okay? I want to play something. The video I gave you. I have to play it. So kindly give me your phone. Someone here. So this is what happened. It's the former President John Mahama and then his wife Rodina Mahama. They took my position and made me homeless. Is this still connected? No. It's not connected to Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth, but I not you have to choose.
Me both video be atrem.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Nti send me nam abontin na grofo trinit no musa o meso a. Yeah, me show mudi na me trim. Me show mudi na me ko. I'm just doing my thing. Just trying to be happy because as I see soon here wono. So when you are near you can never survive the wickedness of human beings. You can never survive the wickedness of human beings. And then my wo according to me stress so. Not even one family to even call to find out say how is this girl doing. But me nkasa. You understand? Me nkasa. Me any paboni ni. No problem. I am evil. No problem. Oh, I won't. No problem. No problem. Let's continue like that. Yeah, your phone is locked. Can you open for me, please? And then there must be any paboni ni. It's a brand new DC. $3 million, you know. A bit me in a crescent, sir, bibi sour. But my country, see, can you find shame in same? Me need $3 million, me the 800 cities. More I'm ready fix Sikadada than 8 million Sikadada. And no need to make for only 1 year. It got to a point, you know.
The Break Ghana Ace Commission Biano, as I said, Ghana Ace Commission for, and the Coco give us a man.
No.
Or what?
A come demia to the point to say, a bedu baby, no not former President Mahama, ni brothers nibi, and a mammy scattered to the needy. And internet told the beer, mean to me, canny once and bonny, because of the new brothers nibi, I am mammy. I'm to me, mammy scattered to the needy. Now, me trace come with the mammy, and then I look around Jessica was a miminia. Sacrifice, I may sacrifice him, I mean my Ghana. And yes, the guy did to the needy, and then the idea was a minia, Debbie. Now, so NDC, more opposition. What's my strength? I hope when my year be bassy. And the moon me depression. And the moon nipa rejects me. And the mean to a people of a baby. Nini na no me say any bibia. Life must go on. More yet when ya is, you know how many years now? Nipa do na a boom me kai bibia near think obi boom me say me ko jare e jare. Almost say Debbie who is. Almost say Debbie man in jare. Ya boom me. Now go back to that house. Only nipa do ewu feel. I am not saying I killed them or no way. But me person mo chere mo say Nyankopon kwan ni nipa onim da obi abefra asase so. So I'm still grateful to God for the gift of life. If impossible nipa person obebe me krana. Me name Babella. Say bibini bia person obebe me krana nya hwe. Abrofo ho, they are also humans. So bia fi say me nipa boni ni ntino bia mbenya all because of my sacrifice. Nyankopon hata sria onyi nipa mano. Onye yiyimu no. He is there for me. Now what me afre nyame anim. Former President Mahama and no wife. What me afre nyame anim ma me boni anti say na mo ko opposition na mo ni na John Dumelo. I don't even want to talk about him. Me be both video am share. What Abronya this is talking about?
The Break Ghana Ace Commission Biano, as I said, Ghana Ace Commission for, and the Coco give us a man, or quan per diem, number of days you obey die, and Yinano, as I saw mine Ghana and the Famunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu kuro mama netinamu. Uchimu say, Adana, Yadema ministers near Swafo EBA, and Omuyi Bakomana because of Musoya ambassador, Ghana Ace Commission, and what Chibosome near Trianica Kama. Akatuane de eyepa emu hwam no no aba bonten
akatuane na oje chemu akatuane no
enyina
na yesen
25,000 oje
25,000 Ghana cedis can it 250 million
50 million and some to home per diem
o to kwana 250 million that is what he said
per diem near $12,000
and I'm a blaster player
no waje say yes we HIV ambassador na ntokwa bisi and only the all publish on Facebook no say nkrofo na ono omo kan bo mu bo o man Ghana krono no ye NDC fo mpanfo na obobo mu dini enti bre ba sa na say omo terminate ne contract na wo
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no wo with Ghana Ace Commission no and so omo terminate na omo terminate we na say e kwa na ofa so e ko for the document e de ko di sa adwuma no no man Ghana otukwan ye bo no ka Frimera oye aduma na be semfie mi ensantamu no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo ha ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o check ne nyina ne na kwantuo ne bibia ne pe de ma eye close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma yebenya hospitals binum wo ha omuhia mpa anameboa yebenya ye security fo hia ka
someone said they are bringing this sika someone who's ka oboboy I was saw a document me benya ne document ni free nya say bia me stress e be chi me tina me esa video we but me pese Ghana fo nyina ehun said that actually me do Ghana ho near some inside me ko share prisoner video we be di madanse say na me be do Kotoka airport na MPP for some in same e de me ko to prisoner video we be di madanse people go bio abonya this is on no e di etiri akohwehwe sika mi medi yeah. Your phone is locked again. Can you please open for me? I want to play some video. Thank you.
The Black Ghana AIDS Commission. As I said, Ghana AIDS Commission for and the Kokoje visa man or Kwane per diem number of days you obey die enyinano as I saw mine Ghana and the Famuka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewo kuro mama netena mu. Utimu say adana ye de man ministers ni atwafo ebie na omu yi ba akoma no because omu so ya ambassador Ghana AIDS Commission. Eno achi bosome ni etua ne kakama akatua ne ye de eye pa emu hwam. No no aba abonten.
Akatua na oje chehu akatua no.
Enyina
na yesai
25,000. Or
25,000 Ghana cedis. Can it 250 million?
50 million. And some are to home per diem or 2 kwana, or 2 coin back one. Or bana per diem near $12,000.
I am a blaster player.
No idea. Say, yes, way HIV ambassador. Na and Tokobisi. And only the all publish on Facebook, no, sing Crofona. Or no Mukambo, Mubo, or mine Ghana, Corononia, and DC 1.4 or Bobo Mudini. And Tibre Bass and Ness say, or Muteminity. The contract now
Macedonia appointment
and contract no war with Ghana AIDS Commission and so mo terminate no mo terminate we na say e kwan of us wo e ko for the documents and the kwadi say aduma no man Ghana otu kwan ye bo no ka frimira oye aduma no be se mfie mi ensantemu no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo ha ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o checking in na kwantuo ne ne bibia ne per diem e close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma yebenya hospitals binum wo ha omuhia mpa anameboa yebenya ye security fo hia ka omode be ye aduma yembu koba bi sukuu dane omotetifam na omayede omatwere yebetim dia ye sa anema na obi ebe ka so me na ndi sifo bi na ka bo mo awi o man Ghana
yo ma video no abronya say me ndi ndi sifo na ka bo mo wi o man Ghana okay have it
I have to go now.
Okay, you can dress up when you are ready to go. She's sleeping now. Yeah, she's sleeping, so you can go now. Thank you so much. Abronya this in our cano. I've seen many of this before the cambo. Me no man cambo, omu you sue me. After this video, I know there are some good journalists out there who still work to make sure that they try to hold our leaders accountable. Dig into the issue. I only sacrificed. Sike bia ifra brofo ni ho ba ye bia no. E ko hen disi fo. Omo you sue me only for the videos. And I'm Adwin, 23 years old. Sister, I'm 33. Me fear say me nyine na me hu say no Joyce why enkwasi ade. Enkwasi ejuma pa na koye ye. Na me ka say debi. I want to rewrite my story. And I'm go so monti ase no. And no na mo so monti ase no. Say my baba kan say na ma sam sister man so monti ase. Na ka menye den. Na ka die na ka mo pese me ye. Die mpa na ka mo pese me ye. Sa video ya bronya this year ye. Media church of God for be say oh e betimi an no kresa okwa e bechi watum e bi say oh ebia na yenchi wuntum. I cannot base my hopes on ebia obi say ebia e bechi watum obi say ebia yenchi wuntum na atam ko ne achi mi tum nso e na upon the master suffer was assassin nyina Mr. Koda prison was sika former President Mahama and the wife Lordina Mahama edintiana. Any Angela went dintiana. Na me kwada home prison. No way. No way. Abronya DC. I am calling you tonight. Young. Thanks, eh? We'll talk. Thanks for coming. Now to me, and I may go down home prison. Young, whatever decision you take, let me know.
Huh?
Whatever decision you take tonight, whether you are coming back or not. Okay. Then to obey this kano. Me na me go down home prison. Obey this kano. Me Joyce. Upon all the man family na me stand for that prison. Miss Ramwa, Abronya DC. Go back into the matter. Macatro, na me save you of Fidelity Bank. Go to the bank. Any journalist who want to know about how much money I made from NDC, go. And I'm ready to allow my bank manager to let you go through all the money I have received from AIDS Commission.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I will let you know every money that I got. Because my bankers are there. All the money that came was coming through the bank, Fidelity Bank. 800 cedis, 800 cedis, 800 cedis every month. So 1 year. 1 year. And I'm terminating contract. And I'm say free global fund. The money they wanted to get from global fund, they have gotten it. They have gotten it. Sometimes I blame myself for some of the insults because I joke. I joke too much. Tracy Bachas and we buy me the joke is say I grow. But in reality, NDC has never done anything for me. Me to me some for that prison. Oh, basically waiting. Former first lady. Please. I am on my knees. Former first lady. Please. If MPP is asking for the AIDS money, can you go and give it back to them? For my sake? Can you please go and give the money back to them? Ghana AIDS Commission. Can you talk to Abronya DC and tell him that as a small girl, you were paying me only 800 cedis, but not what he said I was paid? Can somebody do that for me? Please? Any serious journalist? If truly I got $3 million, are you going to sit down there for me to go with $3 million just like that without asking questions? If it is true that I have $3 million, are you going to keep quiet for me to just spend the money? And if the money is not with me and it is inside Lordina Mahama's pocket, are you going to sit down to let her go with the money? Because AIDS Commission, they are not doing any job there. They are not doing anything. When I became the ambassador, me na me share program. TVC program in Nyam, me na me share. Me, I have been on KSM show for more than 5 times. TV3, everywhere. Me na me share programs. Apart from schools, no madi letter, the AIDS Commission, they are not doing anything there. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission, I'm using microphone sex, I'm using condom near the I once posted on my Facebook, said prior honey ho. Ba, okay me. Sabrina na mini smartphone, na phone kitty biana and they cramming. Ban's girlfriend was in the Ghana AIDS Commission, one of the bosses. Ban and then Usuwaware. Last time I was talking about it, nobody even commented about it. Dr. Tremi, Mr. Tremi. I was in microphone use condom, no. The small girls will be sleeping with, no. Do you use condom? Mr. Tremi. And then Usuwa Jessica. Because the foolish Joyce, me Jimmy, me and me home buy, and I'm use me. And I'm winning videos, and I'm going to Jessica. And also when Jessica, you know. Me buy AIDS Commission, hope a palm with you be a win for me. You could grant interview, so when you're now granting interview. Who work out in Papa Bia? Say, Ghanaian should pray for Joy. She has mental problem. Me or mental problem. Then nobody should take it serious. AIDS Commission for no go on. Almost got down use condom. Dr. Tremi now say use condom. No, I'm not going to use condom to mondo again. It's such a pity. If you're a nigga, and then who see this way you are, ma? You see karma? Do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is called karma? Efia. Me, they said, where she me that, but only mean kasada. Now, so, as somebody buy, you know, me pa mahama chow, some mommy baby in snackeke. Amu pesi kabi mami mpona mi fanye business. Amu pesi single room dining crown amu pe mami na mi ntine muno. Me su ma no. Na onya me ho adagye. Ekwa gi sika free mahama na ho. Sika anka wo se de mami mpona mi tumi de ye bibi kakra no. Na wo san kwa gi sika. Na kwa tina UTV. E di ma tempoto because wa ban na also. Enne usu we hu nyansa nti hu ni NDC. Nti usu ma. Abai de botechi na no na de bebo ba. Efia abai de botechi no eno na de bebo ba. Usi me e kronfo na me pese ma ha mama msika. No problem. Sama na me ninam na me ye documentaries no. Ye chucha me ho documentaries, ye chucha pictures, ye de billboard. There's a magic baby so popular with some silly disease. Became popular with silly disease. Me see me deji amanfo. Me see me dear me yes me a second Jesus. Amanfo wins no. Me kwa go sua de na ma be kire o ma de. Na omu yi mi ma ya. Na me cha de, o de so mo to dan ma wo. O de akotina radio so na de din crofo atema. Ni atodan ama. Na me bomb me di me oni pedia bo afore. And 1990 villages. I thought they be cram because program in nya hotel limpo. With me dake mu ma de chi. And the Ghana for some nka mi papa bi amaye na me a fraud. And besi ne mo hu HIV advert ba kumpo TV so. Besi ne AIDS program ben pa na AIDS commission for betimi akasa e free side drugs is free no. Yetimi aye bibi papa bi. No, let me know. Ghana. Master ni ba e besi ne no. Mo tumi ehu HIV program even back up of TV so. No. It can't happen. No. Ni pa na nyakopo yi na odi ne ho ba for real no. Mo yi ni mai. Nti mo yi ni mai no. Mo nsensi fom. Sikana na nka wo se mo nya no. Sisi ano abrofo no kwa mo mfi mu bio. Nti program no etumi nkoso. Otumi nya me bone na nkoso akeke o. Mini obi na ma me free makoma mu. AIDS commission mini omu ye adwuma no. Hey. The technical director who was called Dr. Richard Amenya. Dr. Richard Amenya. Doctor, you remember what the email you sent me? That email, it's still I have it. I became so poor, Me say, be here, mami ko swia Uber. I was driving Uber. Forget about Tracy Bachi, video pan na me no. Obi an say na me Uber driver. Uber for ba Ghana no. Uber, yedi Uber ba 2016. I was the first lady and I'm driving Uber. I was the first lady they train and then Crofo be brave, see a man be brave driving Uber. And I must say they are strong, Me the first person me driving Uber. I feel open to me friend, me to me request. Because funny pana. Nani pana show me di or say, are you not Joyce? I'm say yes. Say, oh, what happened to you? Why are you driving? You are driving Uber. And I'm say yes, I have to survive. With me fair will be Uber. Share Uber, I'm go Uber office for. Go to Uber. Go through their whatever, their records. Check who was the first Uber driver. First female Uber driver. I am May Joyce. Now my check. Now this guy say me who me crown who say me. Now former AIDS ambassador. You use me millions of dollars. I feel like the medical crime in be. Now me call rent single room do Dakuma. Kokompe Dakuma Fadama. Dakuma Fadama. How me call rent die? A whole single room. I mean, driving Uber, sir. And people who live in Fadama, they know me. People who live in Fadama, Dakuma Fadama, they know me. Me your baby I laugh, I dance, me penije. But say me ni bema kwa da because of say come e dem no. Say bema me pen no na me dem ho kwa come ni so ni me dan no ma biska. Na come drive Uber. And come drive Uber. It's me driving Uber sir for so long. Me driving Uber so na me visa on passport mo visa. That visa makes me dey to Ghana. One thing people don't know is that the fact that you have visa no. doesn't mean say so utu kwan ya obenya asitena we bia wokọ no. It's not easy. Me visa me to me to kwan koba. Na wasa me drive me Uber. Me drive it as you do baby no. First na Uber o drive here like see na when your request. Utumi for obi. Ubesi ni pa na request aba. But se do baby na fi cars na e bebre. Ubetumi afa nipa ba ko. U drop in nipa na ubetumi agina baby sa be say one hour kra no bi amfrɛ. He na boom abem na me jai say me drive Uber bi. I come with to the point say the year was it when 2018. Me the two Facebook say I want to kill myself because I'm tired. Me to me and sacrificing me home by year juma say. Na fe ohia. Na me nya obafo. Me nya obafo as I'm me dress na me go dina circular. Sabi two liar. Anka me nya be ma mo ni mbeda me sika me no nya me lifestyle. Me ni so ohye. Me pasa me run me home ni na was depression. But ya training me. Say me here sika me ma be ma ni me nda no ma bisika. We are my boyfriend can now be stressed and now me be fool because I want to have my own money. I want to be in charge of my own life. That is how I live my life. And that is me. That is what makes me me. And I'm more opposition to when you are brave, more power. Now I'm going to say and I'm me music director betray me. Fact, Hash studio. No one will be a tattoo. I'll say. You dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. I pidgin English. You dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. NDC. You dey bend down to see my nash. Muosika they talk that Emma Tracy Boache. Muosika they talk cars Emma Slay Queens. Muosika they talk car ma can say Miss Bonnie one. Now so mu ni sika mude mama ace ambassador sacrifice ye ma munye sika. Muosika they talk car any dan Emma Slay Queens. But Joyce am I here na me na mo no bi embu mi no. Mu ni sika they ma Joyce. Or sacrificing who Emma Global Fund. Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Global Fund. E bagana. E be hu ejuma na me ye. Omo call ye na mo call invite me. E be throw letters send me. Said they want me to meet Bill Gates. I still have the letter here. Me to me letters in Chineo. Me. Primary school. Me books cried as social bag moha. Me primary school. Me works am I here. I'm proud of what I do all the time. Primary school, JSS, certificate in that social bag moha. I don't throw my letters away. Letters are Global Fund for sending me. Emma me call a Japan embassy. Cantonment. I call visa. Almost sending me tickets. Almost tickets. Over 20,000 cities tickets. 200 million. First class tickets. So me share Bill Gates. Now me back on the challenges Africa is facing in terms of health and education. Because of say Bill Gates, can say Global Fund, I invited Angela. I don't know why they didn't choose a minister or any other person who is higher than me. But small girl, and I'm choosing him because I'm not who me programs are me here. I'm first class ticket. There was a time I posted my passport with my visa inside the Japan visa I got. I posted it here. Nipana Ocho say I should bring a letter no. Mumu say me I don't lie. I don't lie about my age. Me call government school. Me but nothing braggy. I'm not like the slave queens. Obi bet I say I went to so and so school. Me who akra onim sa school. I don't do that. Me call government school. Anything I do, I talk about it. So I will not come and lie. For what? They sent me a letter. And can go share Bill Gates or Tokyo. Share after this video, I will make a screenshot of the ticket. It is still in my email. Ticket from this sending me through email. I will make a screenshot of my ticket to meet Bill Gates. A whole Bill Gates. And can then so we invite each person from each African country. Now you choose me Joyce. Say me go share Bill Gates. Me sumi wanu e de kasa. Na ka mi ko kase wi an kan mi sika Ghana benya. Ena Angela Ella das ya Ghana Ace Commission. Minim the poka chrom say me betu kan ko Tokyo. Ena mo free Global Fund for try mo. Just 3 days to my flight, you know. Ena Global Fund for free me ka chere me say they are sorry. Now what it is their stories being that they don't think they want to they don't think that they want to continue with me. And I almost say me chance of meeting Bill Gates. I started then my depression because the way I'm not excited, you know. Because I was very young and to go and meet such a person, I was so happy. They just bought everything for me. They will say, Shabre is some for and ye ready. Say Nagupon, you're a ball. That's what Casa Nipas Messi is a great person now, eh? Osia Quine. Me ultimately Osia Quine, my brother move. Osia Quine. Ubeko. I will suffer, but I'll still get to the top. That is me. That is the spirit I have. My spirit, you know. My spirit, I know a day to the sense that I am unstoppable. Just a me. I am unstoppable unless I am dead. And to go and meet Bill Gates, you know. And this is for because you're inviting ministers into, they spoil my chance. And I'm betting if I'm soon, sir. Me soon, yes. Now, I'm the me na me ready. Angela, you stopped me from meeting Bill Gates, but you didn't kill me. You were not able to take my soul. The zeal power in me, that burning fire, you were not able to take it away from me. You thought I was going to die of hunger. But no matter how broke I was, me ko visa as a tourist visa, the mommy. For so many years, nobody refused me visa. Even though sena me nye juma pape biya. That is grace. It is called what? Grace. Eya dum. But wa dum bi o mi swa. You can stop me. You can try to destroy me, but you cannot kill me. Never say die until the bones are rotten. You cannot take my life. No. You can never take my life. You can stop me, but that fire in me, you cannot quench it. That fire in me, joy. That what makes me joy is that she's controversial. Me not controversial. Me you need be able to see me. I me ya to the bone. Nti efia shwa sinega. Ukutu ya na wo hwa metu We see Mahama ne wife enyame. Say makwakoye nkwasi adwuma is ambassador. Nkwasi adwuma etia me 800 cedis. 8 million kani 8 million. Nkwasi adwuma me koye ye no. Me betina radio so se mini sika o mini baby da o Mahama boami o na nkwasi ade na betina YouTube di matem poto na me mami sum ya enne efia enne o betina Facebook ye Facebook live ese den wo di dia disi fatem unye hu hwe efia unye hu hwe. You can go and borrow all the cars and be showing off. Say it, you are. Who need who say? If you who need shit. If I'm a chama who friend me, who knows me life? Don't call me because I'm not going to pick up. Oh yeah, make cartel. Stop calling me, please. I beg you. Me betina anya form of anana. Obiani say me. If you see the kind of videos I do about NDC and MPP, who about dream bar? Most of me support you, Obia. I do those things for fun. I don't support any political party. In Tabronya DC, this is my story. This is my story. So because of 800 citizens, you know, what's the chim into moi, Mate? Be there some, be there too public. Anybody who is interested in the $3 million, you know, go to the Ace Commission. Go and find out how much money they paid me, and they'll come and arrest me. They fear. So I was in a couple years in a teaching. The only year, no say the IO. And then I'm to watch show video. With the fake account, they change the show video. You could be a fake account because I'm the best one shop. You could be a fake account, and I'm show video na to the end. And I'm saying, say na idea, yes sir. Into say na idea, yes sir. If you Nti adia ya oyasa e na odi ya onyonko ba odi ya onyonko ba ma obi ametina Facebook en bisa me sebe mo bia me bisa me kwasi asem Mishadapa, I'm not even reading your comment because I can see some silly comments. Obian himself my for me, boy. Somebody himself me one more for. Did you ever see me with 4 pregnancies? No. Did you ever see me getting pregnant 4 times? No. But say me can't say me one more for. No say mujidi. Mujidi. Say bibi amu bia mujidi. Mujidi. And you know, anything I do, do not come and say anything. Angela Eladas, you made a fool out of me. Now if it's about tonight's commission on forever. No, I friend me phone so. Joyce, go back and say you have HIV. Now Jimmy. Now my zangoka. And then it's me granting interview. And then you see I don't have any disease. 1 week later, now me baby from me see me wo. Now me boa. And na say mu Jimmy me say me. I'm moving say me Jimmy on. Me Jimmy here. I think say me banner sorry. On soon ye dear but was sorry. Into me pamucho. Me the video no baby here. This is my story. When you see me in town, I'm not begging you to be my friend. You know what? Say whatever you want to say about me. The mo person mu ye me bia na mo nye. Why? Share and say bia mo person mu katu me so bia mo kanto me so. Yeah, me so depressed. I started going completely naked on Facebook. No bia nim dia na me come.